What's up, everybody? Welcome to AMP Insider, where we bring you manufacturing and engineering success stories, one testimonial at a time. My name is Leah Kaluva, and today we are visiting one of our valued and, dare I say, oldest client, Joesten Marketing. You're going to be hearing about who they are, what they do, and what kind of solutions they offer. So let's go. I am with SJ, Joesten Marketing's engineering manager, and he will be shedding some light on the inner workings of this organization. Hello.
Hi, Leah.
How are you?
Good, thanks.
Good, thank you. So let's dive right in. Tell me, what is Joesten Marketing all about?
So, Joesten Marketing is a leading industry equipment manufacturer specializing in power transmission, from repair, manufacture and design of gearboxes. We also design and manufacture some couplings and specialized fasteners for various industries. We've been established in 1990, maintaining scraper winches. Since we have actually released our own patented sealing solutions and our own AEM range of scraper winches.
Wow, that sounds incredible. So what makes you different from your competitors?
So making us different from our competitors is understanding our customers' needs. We use high quality materials, precision engineering to ensure optimum performance and service life.
So how do you go about designing your products?
So for our design, we incorporate software that from AMP is SOLIDWORKS. We also incorporate Mastercam as well as Creaform. These are the softwares we use. So mostly our design will come from SOLIDWORKS, after which we will then use Mastercam to manufacture these products in a timely manner. And using Creaform, our 3D scanning software, we will then evaluate the product and tolerances for quality control.
Can you design other components?
Of course, with the versatility of SOLIDWORKS, allowing us to very seamlessly change designs, using simulation to evaluate our designs to clients' needs, if it's dimensional wise, if it's performance wise. It's very easy for us to adapt and design whatever needs the customer has got.
Okay, so you said Joesten Marketing has been running since the 90s. How have you managed to ensure quality throughout these years?
Quality is key. Using our softwares like SOLIDWORKS, we can actually test our products in a loaded state, after which we can then use Mastercam to produce these within a timely manner, but meeting our high quality standards that we set ourselves.
And do you provide your customers with aftercare support?
Oh, of course. So we do have a servicing area that's all the way from technical support, consulting, as well as on-site repairs.
So what projects showcase Joesten's capabilities?
Oh wow, I think one of our recent accomplishments was a project for where we refurbished just under 100 gearboxes and a full range of other solutions within a very short timeline, meeting deadlines all the way, and actually had some time to take a breather before the end of the deadline.
What is Joesten Marketing's vision for the future?
Our vision is to continue innovating, growing, and providing world-class solutions to all industries worldwide.
Why should businesses partner with Joesten Marketing?
So, with partnering with Joesten Marketing, we incorporate advanced technologies, exceptional service, and craftsmanship. We incorporate world-class software solutions like those provided by AMP.
So, are you ready to partner with Joesten Marketing? Visit them at joesten-marketing.com or contact them today to learn how they can elevate your business.
SOLIDWORKS 3D CAD software is used for designing, modeling, simulating, and manufacturing products. It is known for its user-friendly interface and powerful tools, making it a popular choice in industries like mechanical engineering, product design, aerospace, automotive, and more. And with Mastercam, we take those designs from digital to physical with precision CNC programming, ensuring that manufacturing processes are fast, accurate, and efficient. It is one of the most widely used CAM software in the manufacturing industry, helping engineers and machinists design parts and generate tool parts for CNC machines like mills, lathes, routers, and wire EDM machines.
Well, that is all from me and Joesten Marketing. I will see you in the next video.